Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to present the final report, the final video report for the projects. Our project is online corporate management system, and I am Muhammad Arif Lutfi bin Aziz. I will be explaining the main use case, which is korban reservation. Before we proceed to the main use case, which is the korban reservation, this is the our diagram, which is the consists of our actors, the goals, and the use case briefs. As you can see in the use case diagram, we have actually two actors, which is the customer, and one is the admin, which is the customer can be accessed to account management and korban reservation, and the admin can access to three use case, which is the account management, system feedback, and korban arrangement. For overall, in this use case diagram, we have four use case, which is account management, our main use case, which is korban reservation, and then the system feedback and maintenance, and then the korban arrangement. As you can see, for this korban reservation main use case, the objective is to do online reservation by the user. So in order to do that, the preconditions for this main use case is to log in or sign up to the account. So user need to log in or sign up to the account. If they have previously signed up, they need to log in and then redirect to the main page before proceeding to the main use case. For the basic flow, actually is the user clicks the reservation page, which called as a shopping or booking page, and then the system will redirect to the reservation page. System will display all the information about all the package. User proceeds to select a package. System will take in and process the data in the background. User will select a portion of the package, which the quantity can be from 1 to 10 or even more. System will take in and process the data in the background. And then the user action will proceed button, and then it will click or capture the data needed for the reservation. System will prompt the confirmation message regarding the package and portion selected. System then asks user to edit or proceed. As per the next step is the user confirms to proceed to the payment page, and then the user will select the payment method, and user will proceed to online payment page managed by a third party. As for the alternate flow, if the user want to edit or select the selected package or portion, there is an option to for this use case, it is actually required for the customer or the actors to sign up or log into the system. After that, the user can click on reservation or the booking page to access the system. Note that if the user are not yet signed up on the system, they cannot access the booking page. Then after the user has proceeded to this page, the user can proceed to select a package from the available option. Note that the package also displays a little bit of the information above here before proceeding to the next step. This little information here shows that how many portions the prices are for. After users have selected a package, they can edit the portion on the package, which is on here, before proceeding to the cart. Also, there's a little bit of information on the package they submitted. This will help the user to better understanding in making their choice. After they have selected to the portion that they wanted, the user will be prompted a cart section to confirm or to view what is the user have put in the cart. Then user can also proceed to the payment and billing section after that. If the user wants to edit or portion, they can edit it here, and also if they want to proceed, they can also proceed. This page, this information right here will tell the user about the information of the pickup for the pickup system. Since this is a new Korban management system, so the most of the pickup will be on a certain venue, which is in this case is IIM Korban Center. This information will be given to the customer after the use case has been finished. But as for the alternative use case, if the user actually choose to edit the information or to edit the package before going to the cart, they can actually go back to the previous page like this. If the user seems want to edit everything after they put it in the cart, they can actually cancel or by just clicking this button. That way, on the cart system, there will be something, but you can always remove the item. And that's it for the main use case for the Korban reservation system. Thank you. Okay, as for the next use case, which is the account management, and also there's another use case in this, which is the system feedback. In this demonstration, I will show you both of these use cases at the same time. This is the first use case in the use case diagram. The objective of this use case is to manage the account created by the user, which is the customer. And the one who use this use case is actually the user himself and the admin. Preconditions for this use case is to log in or to sign up to the system. As for the basic flows, there's user actions, user request to update the email, registration to current account, user request to terminate the account, user request to add details, user asks to link the account, user selects to edit Korban reservation, admin request to blacklist an account, admin request to remove a blacklisted account, and admin request to send reminder to an account. This is the use case called system feedback and maintenance, which is the most of the this use case will be used by the admin, the process recognition, again as the administrator of the system itself, and then proceed to system feedback and maintenance. Most of the user actions and the system action will be done by admin, such as request to update the system, to backup the user, request to clear cache, sort the feedback, and feedback to see the feedback from user. Okay, for the use case account management demonstration, as the precondition said, it is needed for the user or the admin to log in first in the system. After the user has logged in like this, user will go to the account page or account site, and then when the user has go to the account site, it will prompt the user what is the purpose of the user accessing this account page. As you can see, this page is only for editorial purpose, feedback and account management only. Therefore, any message other than that will not be tolerated and can lead to a penalty. After that, the system will prompt that the message will be received by the admin. And as for the admin, after the user has sent their request, it will prompt to the admin the message like this, and we can view the message as to know what is the thing that the user wants to add or to edit. As you can see, the user says to change the address to New York, United States of America, and change the email address to lollipophammer@hammer.com. And we go to the context option, and then here we can go to the site members and select the one who requested for the editorial, and from here we can edit the contact. As you can see, we can change the address like the user said and change the email address to the one he wants to be changed to. And then after the admin has done, he can save the option. Also, as the admin can also do more than editing the account management. As you can see, we can select members, and then there's an option to block, to send an email, and also to delete the user from the site itself. Last but not least is the use case called as Kanban arrangement. Most of this use case will be done by actual and physical labor rather than online, since Kanban needed to be arranged with the right person for the to collect everything we needed. As you can see, for this the last use case, the objective for the use case is to verify the Kanban reservation and send the invoice or the data to company. Most the user is the admin, and then the preconditions is the admin need to enter the Kanban arrangement section. As you can see, some of the actions is to sort Kanban reservation, to request and to check payment from user, request to verify the reservation, request to send data to database to company, and request to send notice to users. After the user has put a request for the reservation, the admin can go to the to log to the page and log in as an admin to see all the orders informed. And you can see in this section the admin can view, which is the payment section, to see whether the user has paid or not paid yet about the order or the reservation before. And also there's fulfillment, which is the admin part or the company part, which is this is the user part, which called the user needs to pay, and this is the part if the product has been sent or has been available or not, Also, after if the Kanban reservation there's need for an update on the Kanban reservation, the admin can go to this to the admin section and to send the update on the reservation. The admin can choose whether to send to the all to everyone or to selective customer, or the admin can also put and enter contact names individually. As you can see, the admin can put to reply email and edit everything here, and then click send to send the email.